Public health officials in California this morning are alerting the state's population about an alarming jump in cases of whooping cough. The disease is particularly dangerous for young children, causing bouts of violent coughing and gasping for air. Carter Evans reports that it is now officially at epidemic levels.
More than 800 cases of whooping cough have been reported in California during the past 2 weeks, leading the state's Department of Public Health to declare an epidemic on Friday. There have already been more than 3,400 cases in the state so far this year, causing the deaths of 2 infants.
The younger you are, the worse the disease is.
Dr. James Cherry specializes in pediatric infectious diseases at the UCLA Medical Center.
Of the cases, so far, I think about 60% are under 4 months of age and hospitalized.
Whooping cough typically starts with cold-like symptoms and can progress to severe coughing fits that leave those infected gasping for air.
It's a very unpleasant disease.
Experts say the disease is cyclical, usually peaking every 3 to 5 years. The last outbreak in California was in 2010, when more than 9,000 were infected and 10 infants died. A team that examined that outbreak found it hit hardest in communities with clusters of kids who were not vaccinated for whooping cough, which is also known as pertussis.
If you lived in a community that had higher rates of vaccine refusal, you were about twice as likely to experience a community outbreak of pertussis.
Doctors say the best way to prevent whooping cough is vaccination, and they're encouraging parents to vaccinate their children as early as possible.
The choices that you make for your child can very well affect other children in the community.
Although California is currently the only state to declare an epidemic, there has been a 24% increase in whooping cough cases nationally from this time last year. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Carter Evans, Los Angeles.